Good day, good day. So, I'm not sure that you can see, a bit hard to see. So I'm now in Parliament Lawn, left of on the walkway are ducks, then we have galahs over there, here, more ducks, and we have bin chickens too. When I came yesterday to the lawn, on the other part, I saw ducks, galahs, big groups, magpies, parrots, and a rabbit running through. This is what I understand on multiculture. And you get to explain it can not only work on one species or one kind of animal like birds, even rabbits were included. But how it looks like, and magpie there too. So you see the variety, different species, different kind of animals can live together. And yet, we as human beings, we can't even live peacefully together anymore on the same land, just because we have different history and still believing for the same thing. Where is it? Look, parrots here too, little ones. The amount of different kinds of birds were living together in front of our own eyes, and the government should give us an example how we can live. But yeah, it looks like it doesn't work like this anymore. Here actually I can spot another rabbit. Let's go over there. As a proof that not only the same kind like birds, also different kind of vermin, or how you call them, rabbit. I think these days you call it food, protein, because that's all what's left soon. Yeah. Another example of a bin. Sorry for my camera, but a bit all over the place. I'm actually here for something else today, but why can't we take an example from nature? We do it with technologies, with airplanes, water repellent stuff, with all other things. Taking how nature is working. And it's a proof you can live peacefully, different races, different species. You can live together. Think about it. I'm wondering why this happens. Maybe no one tells them the other one is bad. Maybe they can't communicate with each other. Maybe they don't have to. So I'm wondering if it's possible, why can't we do it? Do we have too many telling us we're not allowed to? It's bad, we're different. And who might it be? I don't know. Who could it be? Even the camera doesn't want to zoom in now, or be a bit blurry. So with this, guys, think about it. Why can't we live together when we know we can? And why are we so angry with each other and divisive? Stay peaceful, stay truthful. Love you all.